Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose and use information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade before you put in your trades. Okay, with that, I think we will proceed with our live trades. Okay, do take note that today the US election result, I'm not sure whether the result is out, but the dollar strength has been quite magnificent, meaning, all was a big move, and we have not so-called, a very big move happened tonight. I mean, of course, we did capitalize on it because the swings were like, haywire, moving this side, on either directions, and we're not able to cash the thing. Okay, with that, I think let's see. Today, I think we have 2200 hours. We have ECB president going to give a talk, followed by from the Canada IV PMI and US crude oil inventories. So these are the two, in fact, three data that is out later. Okay, as far as the trades are concerned, I think we only managed to, in fact, we had a few stopped out on the swing trading, and then we just did one scalping. That's it. So I think we lost about 70 pips today, and we couldn't capitalize on the move. Okay, let's move forward. With that, let's see how we can trade and get back on track. Okay, as far as this euro is concerned, in fact, the dollar strength has been pretty big on most of the currencies. Like we have on the euro dollar. Okay, in fact, on the weekly, okay, on the daily and weekly, we have euro dollar weakness. Pound, I think, is down on the daily, but weekly is still flat. Dollar yen is up on the weekly on both sides, dollar daily and weekly, and dollar Swiss has been on both time frame is also up, and followed by the Sing dollar. So maybe we will try to focus on this three, and also gold. Okay, gold is also being very weak, so we expect this weakness to continue. Maybe let's start off with gold. Then we look into euro dollar, dollar yen, and dollar Swiss. Okay, these are the things, and of course we have a time that we also look into the pound. Okay, gold. Okay, the weekly right now this market is trading below the previous week low, and right now this is trading at 86.60, and the time control, I would say, is all the time frame. In fact, 360, 720, all are pointing down. So when we want to look for a buy, then you got to be a bit careful. Then we try to go for a sell, but again, the selling level is very important. So here, when we look into this, your 360, this is trading at SR5 on the 360, and all 360, 720, daily, weekly, all are pointing up except for monthly. There is a support at RL zones. Okay, let's see. Okay, previous 360, 720, daily, weekly, all are pretty weak. Okay, so now we look into, then we'll try to look at the daily and monthly. So the daily, the support is at SL10, and weekly is also about SL10 followed by monthly. Okay, let's see the support. Okay, give me a minute. I think the system hang. Okay, let's look at the chart. Okay, never mind. I think we will look into the chart. So the system says this is down on the weekly and monthly. So this is expected. Okay, this is expected to go towards your immediate is 2685, which is where it's trading now, and we may see 72 or even 60 or even lower. Okay, we can see about 2675 and 265660 level. That is a strong support. Okay, this is for weekly. So monthly, if you take, then we should see 85 support. If it breaks, then we should see the price moving towards 40-45. Okay, now let's look into the trend control, trade control, the time control, then price flows, then finally the boundary and the benchmark level. So we need to know all these factors before we go into the trade. So as far as this projection, if we do it, okay, we expect the market to get stable at 2675. Okay, 2675, 2660. Okay, these are the two key areas we are looking into. Then again, this selling force should continue below 95. The time control is, of course, is about two hours as of now. So that means, minimum is 2 hours, which would say just started. So we will have another 2 hours on this selling pressure. So this 2 hours, we should not see the price going above 95, and price should be making lower. Then we should get before 75 and 60. So these are the next two levels which we are looking for. So when we look into the price flow, okay, the price flow is basically, this is we just look into the lowest time frame. The lowest time frame is 1 minute and 15 minute. Okay, so what this market is telling us is we should be looking to short near 90-93, stop at 96, then we should see the price moving towards 75 or even lower, which is about 60. Excuse me. So what we will try to do is let's try to sell this market. Okay, we can sell at 90 or 93. Okay, selling at 90 or 93. So right now this is we have already missed that entry, so we got to wait for the pullback. Okay, pullback, then we see the price maybe about 75. On the other hand, if we are looking to go for a buy, I think we should be looking to buy at 2675 or 2660. These are the two levels of buying level. Okay, and the time we are looking is we have another fresh 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours left. So I think we can still play the game. Okay, we'll try to. Okay, so what we will do is we will try to sell at okay 93. Okay, we'll try to sell at 93, 2693, stop at 96 half and 2680. Okay, this is about $13 move, and this one the expiry we will only give until 22, so about 45 minutes. Then we can look to buy. Okay, we can look to buy at 60. Okay, if we get it, and I think we have an order on the swing trading. Okay, we have about 2660. So that should be your next level of entry. Okay, so the only thing is we got to pay attention to go for a sell, and this would be a cautious sell, cautious sell. So we got to be really sitting in front of the screen in order for us to trade this. If you're not in front of the screen, then I suggest probably you got to don't take the trade. If you are really in front of the screen, then that would be better, because the swings can be pretty high. Okay, so here let's okay, let me get back the screen. I'm just trying to reboot. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So here, so we will try to sell that at 93. Okay, if you get 93, then we will go for the trade. So there's only two ways we can trade this. One is, we try to take this current high as the current time belt high as the benchmark. Then we should see the price moving lower. Okay, we should see the price moving lower. Then we don't want to enter a buy, because all the forces are still pointing down. Okay, we don't want to go into this trade. Okay, the next trade we look into is the euro dollar. Okay, the euro dollar, so if you look into the the time control, the price should be moving lower, and we should not see the price going above 765, and we have a target of 10660. Okay, we have a target of 10660, and the time given is another 2 hours 45 minutes for that target. So we are giving you the time needed for that target. Then again, we should be uh, putting our stop loss near 65. So if you look into the price flow, okay, price flow says that this market may be seeing the low soon. Okay, so we will be seeing the low soon because we are seeing divergence. So the entry would be at 40, 107, 40. And the time, okay, 740 should be okay. So 740 TP at 80 or 85, then stop loss at 770. Okay, so this is the momentum trade again. One zero seven 40. Okay, 775 and 690. I think it's 50 pips, just nice. So this one, the expiry we give until 23. That means another 2 hours to work its way out. Okay, then also do take note that this trade, the low is still not seen yet. Okay, the low is still not seen yet. So we will try to go into that trade. Okay, now the next thing is we go for dollar yen. Okay, the dollar yen I think it's a similar situation, and the final target we can expect is 154.80 and 155.45. Okay, the current high is 154.45. So now if you look into the time control, so now this is telling you that this market, this is within the range between 5315 and 5445. Okay, let's say we look into a 2 hour chart, then I think we can look to go for a buy at 5390. Okay, 90. Okay, let's say the trade control. Okay, the trade control, we are seeing 70 is the stop, and okay, this is going to be your price flow. So the price flow, what we are looking at is once this this high breaks, we should see the price 155 65 or 15505 and extension of this, which is 15480. So the entry we would want to buy at 153 85. Okay, then this one is, let me see the stop loss. This one is 20, 22 hours, 80. Okay, we put as 55 as the stop. So I think this one we are good to go on this. Dollar yen, we go for a buy 153.80, stop at 55 and 154.75. Okay, this is about 95 pips. The condition is 154 45 must break. Okay, must break. And this one, the expiry, we can give at least about 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours to work its way out. So this is the dollar yen signals or call which we are looking for. So the price flow is telling us that this is going to be in a range until this high is break, and at the same time I don't see the reason that 55 or 50 should break. Okay, this two levels should be holding. Okay, so the next trade we can look for is remember pound, and one more was dollar, pound, and dollar Swiss and dollar Sing. Okay, dollar Swiss and dollar Sing. Okay, so now next we look into the pound. Same, I think same scenario. The price is making lows, and we should see the price breaking this low at least 2805. Okay, 2805 as your target, but your 40 must break. Okay, 40 must break. So here if you look into the time control, this is going to be, we should be in a range, so we should be looking to sell near 129 10 and stop at 30. So selling near 129 10. Okay, if you look into, okay, the trend control is 360 down, 1, okay, 2895, 12895. So here if we are planning to sell, yeah, we should be in an extension of 2895. Okay, 2895, and stop at 2925. Okay, stop at 2925 and 2845 or lower as a TP. So this one to go for a sell 2845. Okay, just nice. Then again, this is the TP, the expiry. We will put in until about 1.5 hours. So this is about, we have about 40 pips move. So we'll try to put at 1.5 hours. So this is for pound. Okay, dollar yen we have given, euro we have given. Then the next is dollar Swiss. So we'll try to go for the dollar Swiss trade. This one, okay, the time control is 360 still up, okay, above 87.30. So that means our stop should be somewhere below 87.30. Then our target should be 88, 87.95 to 88.05. Okay, we have a target. Then finally we come into our entry. Okay, entry stop. Let me see what is the hourly. 50. Okay, so we'll try to enter at 50. Okay, 87 50. Stop at 25 and exit at 87.95. Okay, so this is the next trade which we are looking. I think this 5 trade is enough because like as I said, today has been a very choppy and price has been quite strong. So here again, this one we will put it as 1.5 hours because this is only about 15 15 pips move below we are trying. So these are the 5 trades we plan to take. So just take a screenshot. Then I suggest you key in the orders. Then we try to get into the trade and manage it. Okay, so basically, like as I said, the trend is a strong dollar because of this US election. But again, take note that tomorrow, let me see whether the rate announcement is it tonight or tomorrow night. This tomorrow we have a GBP rate announcement. I think the forecast is they are looking for a 1/4% cut. And Friday, yeah, Friday morning. That means tomorrow night. Okay, we are getting the US federal funds rate, and this is also a 1/4% cut and statement. So this is Friday. So tonight, I think we are still safe on this. So most likely, what is going to happen is we are going to see the market strengthening until that this US election. Then tomorrow, it depends on uh, how the market is going to respond, and then definitely we should be seeing some correction soon. But of course, the correction we're not sure whether it's going to happen. I don't think it's going to happen tonight. Most likely, maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, we should see the price having corrections. So until then, I think we still have to keep moving with the trend and keep moving forward, with the price flow. Okay. So here, also, I think I've done a projection if I'm not mistaken. So if your high breaks, we should see the price moving higher. Okay, but right now I think this is trading near the resistance. Okay, let's wait to see whether we get any pullback on this trade. Okay. So, any questions? Anything you all want to discuss? Okay, I think the gold is already 75. I think we have missed it. Looks like we have missed this boat. We have to wait. Okay, let's see. I think most likely, I think it's pushing towards 60, 2660. So maybe we can try to buy at 2660. I think we already have an order. So if you are buying, then try to exit that 60 to before 77 or 85. So these are the two levels of exit we can look for. So as of now, I think we have already missed it. Okay, we have already missed the trade. The only way is okay, we have a 30-minute chart. So if you want to sell, you can sell at 75. So now this would be your, I mean, I don't want to give a signal, but we sell at 75 and exit at maybe before 60, 65, $10. But our stop loss has to be above 77 half, 77 half or 78. So we have another 30 minutes left. So 30 minutes left on this trade. So, but this is a risky trade. You wait. I think maybe 2760 might be a better bet to go for a buy with the thing. So if you are still insist you want to trade, we can go with a tight stop. Try to sell at 75. Stop at because we still have another 30 minutes on this down move. And if you're looking for hourly, 21, 23. Okay, 23. So 23, that means, we may see even lower. That means 1.5 hours on this down move. Okay, if that's the case, okay, I think I may want to revise this price. Okay, let me revise this. That 60 buying, want to revise it to 55 and 73. Okay, so you see the thing is already dropping very fast. Now it's already 64. Sorry, yeah. Okay, let me. I think we would want to lower it a bit more, 50. Okay, sorry, yeah, because the fall is very fast. So 45, and this one is 2665. Okay, so this is a $15. Yeah, let's try. I mean, that's all. I mean, this is still, because the thing is, we have already missed a big move, and we should not be chasing the market because we already missed it. So there's nothing much we can do. Okay, so do take note, this gold we have revised, just now was 60, so now we brought it down to 50 because of the steepness of this fall. So I think there's a lot of stops get triggered, so we try to get it lower. Okay, okay, I think with that I end this session. So looking forward to see you again tomorrow. I think most likely tomorrow would be a better day to trade. So today we have to be a bit cautious. We got to be very careful, uh, but we still have to be in the business. So we got to be a bit silent or nimble. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Good night. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.